Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan membacakan sebuah artikel dengan judul The Relationship Between the Ability of Understanding Mathematical Concept with Language Ability During Contextual Learning. Untuk bagian abstraknya, increasing the ability of the left brain can have a positive effect on the understanding mathematical concept. The purpose was to test whether there was a positive direct effect on student language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Pariaman Tawid culture on their ability to understand mathematical concept. It was survey research. The sample was selected simple random as many as 100 people from 389 student of SMA Negeri 3 Padang, Indonesia. The sample has attended lecture through contextual learning based on Padang Tabik culture for 8 weeks. The research instruments was a test of language skill and the understanding of mathematical concept. Quantitative data were analyzed using a structured equation model. It is analyzed using a Lyserl application program. The conclusion of this study is that students' language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Tabik culture have a positive direct effect on their ability to understand mathematical concept. Number 1, Introduction. The concept of mathematics were a difficult learning object for students, even though the concept is a mathematic object that cannot be avoided by students. One of the reasons is the abstract mathematic object. The concept of mathematics is abstract. It's very possible for him to have misconception. Student learning mathematics concept need relational understanding so that it can lead to misunderstanding and difficulty learning. To overcome student mistake and misconception is learning mathematics is through learning that is close to the student minds. Students can do the mathematic process horizontally. Such learning will improve student through process such that it become a meaningful learning that is close to the daily life of student is one of the starting point of learning mathematics. Something that become a habit of student is local culture. One of them is local music. Student is local culture. One of them is local music. Sorry. Some something that becomes a habit of student is local culture. One of them is local music. This can increase mathematic abilities, such as the ability to respond mathematics, concept understanding ability, problem solving skill. This learning can also minimize student mistake in understanding mathematics. Doll music is one of Pariaman culture. Music contributes to children's cognitive development. Music helps activate the child motor nerve cells, like the music that accompanies region, regional dance. KJ dance becomes the starting point for students in understanding geometry. Through this music, students have geometric skill. Students identify and classify them in geometry structure. They are able to use model and symbol to represent the concept of geometry's shape. Mathematics and music are interconnected. Mathematics concept and related basic music include set, equivalent relation, function, function and graphs, integers. Rational number, real numbers, not chord, not musical intervals, scales, and casings. In case sign. This will increase one's musical intelligence. It was include sensitivity to rhythm, melody, and tonal color of the music being enjoyed. Pariaman children are very familiar with tablet culture. This is held every year in the month of the Muharram. The tabui ceremony has several ritual parts. This always involves Pariaman regional music, which is often referred to as dal music. In the Tabui tradition, the dal is a traditional drum which originate from Padang province, Indonesia. The dal is played by trained men. The Tabui ceremony commemorates the death of Hasan and Hussein, the grandchildren of the Prophet Muhammad SAW. Ini adalah masalah kontekstual yang dapat digunakan titik pangkal pembelajaran matematika. Sorry. Okay, next, number 2 method. This research is a study with a survey approach between this research is designed to test the relationship between language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Pariaman Tabik culture and the understanding of math concept. The population it all student of SMA Negeri 3 Padang, Indonesia. The number of affordable population is 389 students. The sample of this research was 100 people. The selection was made through simple random sampling technique. There are two latent variables, namely language skills and the understanding of mathematical concept. The understanding of mathematical concept in this study is especially about the understanding of mathematical concept. Okay, number 3, result and discussion. Discussion. The data from this test is the understanding of math concept and language skill as a latent variable. Its variable indicator is listening, speaking, reading, and writing for latent language ability variables. The indicator variable of understanding mathematical concept is x1. X1 restarts the nation of concept. X2 classifies object according to current concept. X3 provide example and not example of a concept. X4 present concept in various forms of representation. X5 range range ranges necessary necessary and sufficient condition of a concept. X6 select an operation, and X7 applies the concept to problem solving by using the Lazareal 8.8 application program. The data were analyzed and present in the table. Okay, number 4, conclusion. Conclusion. Where conclude when we conclude that there is a positive direct effect of studying language skill through contextual culture-based culture-based learning on their ability to understand mathematical concept. This is supported by the validity and reliability of the indicator of the two variables, namely language skill and the understanding of mathematical concept. Therefore, therefore, to improve mathematical thinking skill, educator must apply contextual learning based on local culture. Oke, sekian, terima kasih. Kalau ada salah jengkalnya saya mohon maaf. Saya sudahi dengan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.